हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू टुडेज़ व्लॉग। सो आज के व्लॉग में हम लोग पूरी रेसिपी देखने वाले हैं लंच की। तो आज हमारे लंच में बन रहा है पालक पनीर विथ रोटी, विथ लोडेड घी, चावल, फ्राई दाल. So I am gonna share the full recipe in the full video. So in the short you can see some glimpse. So now our recipe begins. So what we have to do is firstly हमें अच्छे से पालक को वॉश करना है. What we have to do is wash the palak. All it's done, then we have to blanch every vegetables which we are using in this palak paneer. So the first thing, the I should say the second thing. So the second thing जो हमको करना है वो पालक ब्लांच करनी है, then tomatoes ब्लांच करने हैं, then पनीर को a little bit boil water में जिसमें ब्लांच हो रहा है उसी में डिप कर देना है. Then जो tomatoes ब्लांच किए हैं we have to peel it off and we have to chop it in very small pieces. Then जो मसाले आपको स्क्रीन में दिख रहे हैं वो सब डालने हैं, जैसे कि लहसुन हो गया, प्याज हो गई, अदरक हो गया, ग्रीन चिलीज हो गई, खड़ी मिर्ची हो गई, and then dry jeera and haldi. So we have to grind this mixture of spices. So we have to grind this off and we get a so yummy paste. And I feel like इसे भी मैं taste करूँ. It's fully spicy. So this is the green masala. And then what we have to do is we have to make the cubes of paneer. So here mama is making the paneer cubes and I am only the helping hand in this whole lunch recipe. I am the one who is only just a simple doing the chopping stuff and then recording the videos. Then after this we have to grind the spinach, that is palak. First we have to grind it and then we have to add cashews, and cashews also are needed to be grinded. Then we have to make a tadka. So put some oil in kadhai, then add same as khadi mirchi, lesun, and then the masala. Then the green masala which we have added. Add taste as per your taste. Add salt as per your taste. Then add tomatoes and add turmeric powder and cook until the tomatoes get more soft and getting shrinked in size. So after that add this yummy spinach puree. So then after cooking it for a while, then add these chopped paneer. You don't need to fry the paneer because the real taste of palak paneer comes in these type of paneer which are not fried or anything or like deep fried or pan mein tadka laga di. Simple taste comes with this, and the final touch comes with giving 2 whole spoon of desi ghee, which gives aroma, flavor, taste to the recipe. So the second thing what we are going to do is dal tadka. So here's the dal tadka recipe, the simple one. So what we have to do is add oil or ghee, we can add, then dry jeera, khadi mirchi, if not khadi mirchi, then red chili powder, simple red chili powder, and then giving it a stir over and then adding the rahar dal over it, and it's taste so yum. You have to try this. You have to try it once. So the third thing what we are going to do is make chapatis, and then the chapati with ghee is done. So here is our lunch thali. Me and mama are having lunch. So it's you can see here, and amoli is must with palak paneer recipe. So this is a simple desi lunch which we have in our day-to-day life. And in earlier times, what I would like to share, palak paneer was like luxury of having paneer. Thank you for watching.